To import a Monday.com Create board, you need to follow a series of steps that will guide you through the process. First, you need to log in to your Monday.com account and navigate to the Boards section. From there, click on the Create Board button and select the Import option. You will be given several import options, including importing from a template, from an Excel file, or from another board. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you are importing from an Excel file, you will need to upload the file and map the columns to the relevant fields in Monday.com. When mapping the columns, make sure to match the data types, such as text, numbers, or dates, to ensure that the data is imported correctly. You can also choose to import specific columns or sheets from the Excel file. Once you have mapped the columns, click on the Import button to start the import process. The time it takes to complete the import will depend on the size of the file and the amount of data being imported. After the import is complete, review the board to ensure that the data has been imported correctly and that all the columns are properly mapped. You can then customize the board as needed, adding or removing columns, and configuring the settings to suit your workflow. It is also important to note that when importing a board, you can choose to overwrite existing data or append new data to the existing board. Make sure to choose the correct option to avoid losing any existing data. In addition, it is a good practice to test the import process with a small sample of data before importing a large file to ensure that everything is working correctly. This will help you identify any issues and make the necessary adjustments before importing the full dataset. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully import a Monday.com Create board and start managing your workflow and data in a more efficient and effective way.